Just got your first freelance client? Congrats! But now comes the important part, how to deliver your work professionally so the client is impressed, and gives you a 5-star review. In today's video, I'll show you how to deliver your first freelance project like a pro, even if it's your very first time. Let's make your first client your stepping stone to many more. Understand the job properly. Before you even start working, make sure you fully understand what the client wants. Read the job post again carefully. Reread their messages. Ask questions if anything is unclear. Tip: you can send a message like, just confirming, you want a 10-slide Canva presentation for real estate marketing, right? Clear communication equals happy client. Deliver clean files. When it's time to send your work, make sure it looks clean and professional. Use Google Drive, Dropbox, or directly attach files on the platform. Name your files clearly, final_Instagram_design_by_oli.pdf. Include a short README or notes file if needed. Avoid messy or unorganized deliveries. Your goal is to make it easy for the client. What to say in your delivery message. Here's a simple message you can copy-paste when delivering your work. Hi, client name, here is the final delivery for your project. Let me know if you need any changes, I'll be happy to adjust. It was great working on this with you. Looking forward to your feedback. Smiling face with smiling eyes. Thanks, your name. Be polite, confident, and professional. Asking for a review. Once the client approves your work, you can politely ask for a review. Say something like, if you're happy with the work, I'd really appreciate a short review on my profile. It helps me grow here as a freelancer. Never beg, but don't forget to ask. Reviews are gold when starting out. Mistakes to avoid. Don't disappear after submitting. Don't argue with the client if they request small changes. Don't send files in random formats. Don't forget to double-check everything before submitting. Warning: first impressions matter, especially when you're new. That's how you deliver your first freelance project like a true pro. If this video helped you, hit like and comment, delivered like a pro rocket. And if you want the next video on how to ask for repeat work or referrals, comment, next step. Subscribe to Earnify Hacks for more practical freelancing guides, no fluff, just real stuff.